Richmond is an urban city located on an island between the Fraser River and the Strait of Georgia. Like most cities, Richmond has rodents. Urban environments provide excellent habitat with everything rodents need to survive: food, water, shelter, and safe ways for them to get around. Rodents are a classification of small mammals that include mice, rats, and voles. Rodents are indigenous to nearly all land masses on Earth. There are 20 different types of rodents found in BC, but only 3 types are known to be a nuisance to humans when the conditions permit, including the house mouse, the roof rat, and the Norway rat, all of which are invasive and not indigenous to our region. Rodents can reproduce quickly, but infestations are often avoidable with some simple measures, such as properly storing food waste, managing yard clutter, and properly maintaining structures. Private pest control services can be pursued if you have rat issues. The city strongly encourages property owners to take an integrated approach and explore alternatives to pesticides when managing rodents. Many pesticides designed to manage rodents contain anticoagulants, which can enter Richmond's food chain and seriously harm mammals and raptors that naturally prey on rodents. Property owners can reach out to the city for free exterior private property assessments in the case of a suspected infestation, or to receive advice on pesticide-free methods to manage rodents. Block possible entry points. Remove sources of food, water, and shelter. Compost properly. Dispose garbage. Follow city guidelines for the Green Cart Recycling Program. Clean up proactively. Maintain buildings and yards. Everyone has a role in rodent prevention. The City of Richmond, practicing safety sustainably.